Good morning everyone. My name is Adarsh Rajkumar Chinjwade from grade 8. I am going to tell you today day and date. Today date is 12 March 2025. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. This is Adarsh Nulule from grade 8. Today I am going to tell thought for the day. The thought is the secret of happiness is freedom. The secret of freedom is courage. I repeat my thought. The secret of happiness is freedom. The secret of freedom is courage. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. This is Shraddha Pujari from grade 8.
I am Shriya Khondre from grade 8.
My name is Rasna Rasai from grade 8.
This is Anushka Sanjay Kunore from grade 8.
We are going to tell you importance of the day. Today 12th March marks an important day in Indian history.
On 12th March 1930, Mahatma Gandhi led a historical 24-day against British government unfair salt tax.
Now, let me share some important piece of information about the route of Dandi March. The march began on March 12, 1930 from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and Gandhi and his followers walked approximately 240 miles to reach Dandi.
Additional, the march lasted 24 days was participant face of physically stress British oppositions.
Talking about significance of march, the Dandi March was an act of defiance against British colonial laws.
Also, march led Widespread protest, the salt tax, a symbol of British oppression.
Following were the impacts of Dandi March. The march gained international attention and highlighted the peaceful resistance in the Indian independence movement.
The Slat March was the precursor to future marches like Quit Indian movement in 1942.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on the power of collective action and importance of self-reliance.
On this day, let's honor courage and determination of those who walked with Mahatma Gandhi in Dandi March. Wishing everyone a reflection and learning
Inspiration to make a positive difference in our world. Thank you.